Hello and welcome to yet another segment of Processing with Belina. Today we're going to look at how to do and process a retrenchment package in 3 easy, simple steps. Now before we get into it, I need to mention that whenever you're processing a retrenchment, first and foremost you need to visit your tax authority offices and present them with the retrenchment package that you want to give out to your employees. Thereafter, they will give you what's known as a tax directive. Now, this tax directive is what you will then use to tax the individual on their retrenchment package. Now, let's get to the 3 easy steps. Upon being given the tax directive, you then go into your Belina. I'm assuming this is an already running payroll with already existing employees. That's why I'm already logged in. So you then go to your employee master and you go there via edit and then employee master. Upon getting into employee master, you're opening your employee's profile. Once you open the profile, you go straight to tax. This is where we want to input the tax directive. You're going to find the tax directive checkbox on the top right hand corner, top right left hand corner. Tick on text directive. Once you tick on text directive, specify either the amount or the percentage that you've been instructed to deduct from that employee's retrenchment package as tax, and then put in the amount for the tax directive. In this case, it's going to be 3,000. Now, if you're living in Zimbabwe, your tax is going to be split into two, which is the actual PAYE, pay as you earn, and the AIDS levy, also known as the tax levy. Once you put in your amount, simply click OK. And that's the end of step 1. Alright, once you've clicked OK, you're on to step number 2. Now, in order to process the retrenchment package, you need to have the retrenchment transaction code. Right. Now, when it comes to retrenchment, you can either give it out as a lump sum or you can give it out in parts. These may include cash in lieu of leave, gratuity, and many other things that the company may deem necessary. But in this case, we're only going to give the individual one huge lump sum as their retrenchment package. Now, in order to do that, we need to have a transaction code that we can use for this. Now, we're going to create the transaction code via edit, and then transaction codes, and then we go into insert, and we're looking for the category that best fits what we need to do. Now, we've got allowances and benefits, but the retrenchment is an earning, and the earning is specifically for retrenchment. So we're going to go to earnings retrenchment. Once we select earnings retrenchment, I'm going to name the transaction code under the description retrenchment package. And then, since we're going to be specifying a total lump sum amount, we're going to be selecting manual edit. Once you select manual edit, simply click OK and close. That's the end of step number 2. Step number 3, which is the last step, is when you're allocating the retrenchment package onto the actual individual. Now we go to process and then paste the input, and then we go to our John Doe and simply click on insert. Now once you click on insert, you're now searching for your transaction code, in this case retrenchment package. Once you select retrenchment package, simply specify the amount, in this case 50,000. Click OK. And if you want to check whether the calculations are correct in terms of what you've input, you can simply go to the bottom left hand corner, simply click compute, and check if your calculations have been done correctly. 100% of the time they will be done correctly. Once you're done, you'll notice that the PAYE has been split into, or the tax has been split into PAYE and tax levy, giving you a total tax of 3,000 with the addition of these two figures. Once you've done that, simply click close and run your calculation routine. Once you've run your calculation routine, you would have finished processing for everything. After that, you simply have to go to the bank and pay out your retrenchment package. And that's it. 3 easy steps for you to run your retrenchment package. Join us again next time for another segment.